Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit dessert. First, choose your favorite fruits, ensuring they are ripe and in season for peak flavor. Next, prepare them by washing thoroughly, then peeling or coring if necessary. Finally, slice or dice the fruit into uniform pieces, ready for mixing with your chosen sweetener and any delightful spices. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious treat. When selecting fruit, consider options like sweet berries, juicy peaches, or crisp apples, which all bake beautifully. Always wash your chosen fruits thoroughly under cool running water to remove any dirt or residues. For fruits like apples or pears, you might want to peel them and always remove seeds, pits, or tough cores. Uniformly slicing your fruit ensures even cooking and a pleasant texture in every bite. To enhance your fruit dessert, choose a sweetener like honey, maple syrup, or a quarter cup of granulated sugar, adjusting to your taste. A pinch of cinnamon, nutmeg, or a dash of vanilla extract can elevate the flavors beautifully. For an extra layer of texture, consider adding a simple crumble topping made with oats, flour, and 2 tablespoons of cold butter. These additions transform simple fruit into a delightful dessert. Once prepared, bake your fruit dessert at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the fruit is tender and bubbly. Let it cool slightly before serving warm, perhaps with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's a perfect, comforting treat. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic products. Enjoy your homemade fruit dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.